Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to check the resume score on the Naukri website. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are preparing the resume and whenever you are trying to apply for the job, it's very much important to prepare the right format of the resume in order to get shortlisted, in order to get the interview calls. Okay, so make sure to always prepare the ATS compliant resume, that is applicant tracking system resume, because whenever the recruiters will scan your resume through the ATS compliant, that means like your resume should have the proper keywords and your resume should be in the right format in order to get shortlisted for the job. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to tell you like how you can check the resume score through the Naukri website. Okay, so that means like whenever you prepare the resume, try to check your resume score on the Naukri website. There are so many websites where you can check the resume score, but in this particular video, I am going to show you like how you can see your resume score. That means like whether your resume is in the proper format, whether your resume stands on top, or your resume needs to be edited in order to get the interview calls. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to go to the naukri.com. Okay, so once you go to the Google, you can just type Naukri resume score. Okay, so once you type the Naukri resume score, here you can click on I am feeling lucky. Okay, so once you click on I am feeling lucky, it will take you to this particular page, resume.naukri.com/resume quality score. That means like in this particular video, you can check the quality of your resume through this particular option. Okay, so here you can see whether you want to fetch the resume from your Naukri account or you want to directly upload. That means like you can drag and drop your resume here. Okay, so that means like you can browse that particular file anywhere which is in your system or the laptop so that you can check the score. Okay, so I will just try to click on this browse option and now I will try to check the resume score. Let's try to, so this is my resume. I will just click on this particular resume and I will just click on this open option. So that means like your resume is getting evaluated. Either this is not a valid resume or there is some technical problem. Please try again. Okay, so let's try to refresh this. I will just click on this particular resume. Okay, so now here you can see that the well done, your resume quality is high. A few tweaks can take it to the next level. Okay, so once I upload the resume, so here you can see that particular the arrow mark symbol is standing on the high. Okay, suppose if it is standing on the low or medium, that means like you need to work on your resume. Try to prepare the ATS compliant resume so that you will have the enough keywords and the right keywords in order to get shortlisted. Okay, so that means like here my resume is having a high quality. If it is on excellent, that means like it is an outstanding or an extraordinary resume. Okay, so here it means like my resume is having a very high quality. Okay, so always try to have a resume with a high quality. If you are preparing the excellent or the outstanding quality, that is really well and good, but preparing the excellent or the outstanding resume is not a difficult task, but you need to keep working on your resume. Okay, but one more tip what I'm trying to give you is like don't prepare your resume more than 2 pages. Okay, always try to have your resume maximum of 2 pages. If you are preparing a 1 page of resume, that is really good. But still, if you want to just if you feel like there are so many certain things like which is not being able to cover in the one page means you can take up to the maximum 2 pages, but don't ever prepare the resume more than 2 pages. Because if you just try to drag your resume, like there is no guarantee that you will be getting shortlisted and you will be getting the interview calls. Okay, so the shorter the resume and the compact resume is always a good, and there is a lot of chances like of getting the interview calls and getting shortlisted. Because even if you have 15, 20 or 25 years of experience, you can just make your resume in 2 pages, maximum of 2 pages. Okay, so there are so many peoples and there are very high profile CEOs. They are having more than 25 years of experience. And even though if they have 25 years of experience, they are able to prepare the resume in only one page. That means like their profile is really good and they are having a very standard profile. Even though if they have a standard profile, they are able to make the resume in single page. Okay, so when the CEOs and or the directors or the some high profile people, when they can make the resume in one page, like why can't we create the resume in one page? Okay, so I understand sometimes it's very difficult to prepare the resume in one page, but maximum of 2 pages, but don't try to drag your resume more than 2 pages. Okay, so this is how you can check the quality of your resume through the Naukri website. There are so many other websites also where you can check the score of your resume, but I feel like Naukri is the best platform and it's very easy to check the score of your resume. Okay, suppose if it is showing low or medium, try to work on your resume and try to prepare the right format of the resume. Okay, and one more thing, what I'm going to tell you is like whenever you are trying to send the resume to somebody, always try to send them in the PDF format. Never share your resume in the Word format or the text format or the .txt file format. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.